with high honors. Asher Nicole Chavez, participant Division Surgani Contest. Arlo G. Piet Jr. with high honors. First place, SIA Rubber Band Powered Car Contest. And Andrea Luis D. Swanke with high honors.
Congratulations. Mark M. Amadora with honors. Camille Z. Amante. Kyle Justine Z. Valdesma. Kaya Lawrence Balenas. And Maleo Jano C. Bayotas. Those are with honors.
Congratulations. Okay, still with honors, Patricia Nicole M. Capisa with honors. Gwen Andre M. Camurista with honors. Gian Halili G. De Los Santos with